Hi, I'm Nikki, and this is how to organise your garage using the Ryobi link system. Let's get into it. If your garage is feeling cluttered, the link system, designed specifically to integrate with Ryobi tool stack items like toolboxes, cupboards, drawers, and rolling storage units, is a great way to get everything off the floor and neatly stored. It's versatile, easy to install, and you can start small with a few core items and build up over time as your storage needs grow. Let's get it installed. For plasterboard walls, you'll need to fix directly into the timber studs so the system can support a good amount of weight. Use a stud finder to locate them. Mark your fixing points for the rail, hold the rail in position, check its level, then drill pilot holes where your screws will go. Securing the rail firmly into each stud with wood screws will ensure everything stays solid and safe. If you're mounting into brick, the process is similar. Just swap in a hammer drill and masonry bit to get into the brick. Then insert wall plugs and secure the rail with masonry screws. With the rail up, now clip in your accessories. Start with hooks. Align the back of the hook with the groove on the rail. Tilt it upward slightly. Push in and click down so it locks firmly. Next, attach the shelf. Hook the top edge into the rail, then push the button in until you hear it click into place. Now for the wall mountable cabinet. This is the larger, heavier storage unit that's part of the Ryobi Link product line. It's a robust, lockable steel cabinet designed to hang on the rail or directly to studs and store valuables like power tools, batteries, or cleaners. It's best to have someone help hold it while you hook it into the rail and engage the locking mechanism. Once in place, it should feel secure. For a compact layout, one rail with a couple of hooks, a shelf, and the wall mountable cabinet provides a tidy storage hub for everyday tools and gear. You'll immediately see how much floor space you've freed up. Got more wall space? No worries, you can expand the system easily. Just add another rail alongside the first and clip in extra hooks, tubs, shelves, or even drawer units because the system is fully interconnected, perfect for larger or seasonal items. The beauty is it's fully customizable. You can shift components around or add more accessories whenever you like. And there you have it, a neat, versatile storage solution that makes the most of your garage space, whether you start small or go big. If you like this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.